Welcome everyone to an exciting lineup of 28 Amazon kitchen tools crafted to simplify cooking for seniors. Whether you're navigating arthritis, limited grip strength, or vision challenges, these gadgets make meal prep safe, easy, and fun. Stay tuned for detailed breakdowns of each product, packed with features to enhance your culinary experience. Let's dive in and explore the tools. First, we have the mason jar opener with magnets, a lifesaver for seniors tackling stubborn lids. Its clever design prees open mason jars, jelly caps, and yogurt lids without damage, ideal for arthritis or weak grips. Dual magnetic sides enhance functionality. One secures the opener to lids for leverage, the other sticks to fridges for storage. Compact and lightweight, it fits drawers or travels to campers and boats. Crafted from eco-friendly materials, this patented tool ensures effortless jar access for seniors. Its versatility and ease make kitchen tasks simpler, promoting independence. Next, the Xetra magnetic measuring spoon set brings precision to senior kitchens. 7 durable stainless steel spoons feature magnetic handles for neat stacking, eliminating ring hassles. Engraved US and metric measurements resist fading, ensuring clear readability. The dual-sided design, narrow for spice jars, round for liquids, minimizes waste. Dishwasher safe and flat laying to prevent spills, these spoons simplify measuring for seniors with shaky hands. Ideal for coffee, spices, or protein powder, they ensure accuracy with ease. Next, the OOU silicone kitchen cooking utensils set elevates senior cooking with style. 5 BPA-free silicone tools withstand 446 degrees Fahrenheit, with soft edges protecting cookware and extended necks keeping hands safe. Magnetic handles attached to metal surfaces or the included rack, mountable via adhesive or screws for tidy storage. Dishwasher safe and crack resistant, they're senior friendly, reducing strain. Elegant white silicone heads with gold stainless steel handles add sophistication. Perfect for arthritis, these utensils simplify stirring and flipping. Next, the Albert & Grace adjustable bamboo cookbook stand, a senior's kitchen companion. Crafted from sustainable bamboo, it holds cookbooks, tablets, or recipe cards at adjustable angles, easing neck strain. An engraved conversion chart for measurements and temperatures aids seniors with memory challenges. Foldable for storage or hangable with a rope, it saves space while adding rustic charm. Ideal for cooking, reading, or video calls. Its sturdy design supports thick books or iPads. Seniors will appreciate the clear visibility and eco-friendly build. At number 5, we have Kozamtech silicone oven mitts to offer seniors top-notch protection up to 460 degrees Fahrenheit. Made from food-grade silicone, their non-slip textured stripes ensure a secure grip, vital for weaker hands. The semicircular palm design enhances comfort, perfect for handling hot pots or dishes. Use them as pot holders, trivets, or to retrieve items from boiling water. Waterproof, stain-resistant, and dishwasher safe, they're easy to clean, with hooks for storage. Their cute design adds charm, making them a great gift for senior bakers. These mitts provide safety and confidence, simplifying kitchen tasks. Meet the Armero Crust Mezzaluna knife with double handle to simplify chopping for seniors. Its dual ergonomic handles reduce strain, ideal for arthritis or limited grip strength. Crafted from rust-resistant stainless steel, the sharp, curved blade slices pizza, herbs, or vegetables in one motion, ensuring precision. Comfortable stainless steel handles enhance safety, minimizing fatigue during prep. Easy to clean and durable, it's perfect for seniors seeking efficiency. This professional-grade tool makes food prep safe and effortless, ideal for home cooks. Up next is the Lacho Spoon Rest keeps senior kitchens tidy and stylish. Made from sturdy porcelain, its large round shape with a centered depression holds spoons, ladles, or spatulas securely, preventing messes. The elegant swirl finish complements modern or farmhouse decor, adding charm. Dishwasher safe for easy cleanup, it's perfect for seniors seeking convenience. Ideal for daily cooking or special occasions like holidays, this rest reduces countertop clutter. Seniors will appreciate its sturdy design, making utensil handling effortless. Next, we have the VLAM apple peeler to transform fruit prep for seniors. With a quick crank, it peels apples or pears in 5 to 6 seconds, ideal for arthritis or weak hands. Its flexible blade removes a thin skin layer, minimizing waste. Made from durable ABS and stainless steel, it includes a slicer, cutting board, and 2 replacement blades. Compact for storage and fully washable, it's perfect for small kitchens or travel. Suction cups may need manual stabilization, but it's a minor fix. Seniors will love the time-saving ease. A cost-effective gift, this peeler makes fruit prep quick and precise, enhancing kitchen efficiency for seniors. Meet the Cuisinart electric can opener. Its powerful motor and power cut blade open any can size with one touch, reducing hand strain for arthritis sufferers. A sturdy base prevents tipping, ensuring safety, while chrome accents add elegance. The magnetic lid holder and removable lever simplify cleanup, maintaining hygiene. Seniors will find its single-touch operation effortless, making meal prep faster. Perfect for soup or large cans, it's both stylish and functional. This can opener streamlines kitchen tasks with ease and sophistication, ensuring every can opens smoothly without effort, keeping cooking accessible and enjoyable. At number 10, meet TPU cutting boards, a senior-friendly kitchen essential. Crafted from BPA-free, knife-mark-resistant TPU, these flexible boards come in 3 sizes for fruits, vegetables, or meats. Lightweight and blade protecting, they're ideal for seniors with limited strength. Dishwasher safe and easy to clean with soap, they store effortlessly in small kitchens or RVs. While scraping may leave scratches, regular cutting keeps them pristine. Seniors will appreciate the safe, versatile design for daily prep. They ensure durability and ease, making food prep accessible and stress-free for seniors, enhancing kitchen confidence. Next is the TTF-TEF glass food processor to simplify prep for seniors. With 12 stainless steel blades and an 8-cup bowl, it chops, grinds, and blends meats, vegetables, or sauces effortlessly. Smaller bowls handle spices or baby food. Its cordless 4,000 mAh battery that offers 40+ cycles per charge with Type-C recharging. Safety features include a lock and overheating protection, ideal for seniors. Dishwasher safe, except motor, it's easy to clean. Compact and powerful, it suits shaky hands or limited mobility. Seniors will love the versatility and ease, making meal prep quick and safe for any culinary task, indoors or out. Moving on to the MaxCheck Adaptive Utensils Set. The 14-ounce bowl and 17-ounce plate feature high rims and anti-skid suction bottoms to prevent spills. 5 bendable utensils adjust for comfort, perfect for arthritis or stroke survivors. Made from durable, microwave-safe plastic and stainless steel, they're stain-resistant and dishwasher-safe. The red color hides tomato stains. This set promotes dignified dining, offering seniors control and independence. Seniors will appreciate the thoughtful design, ensuring every bite is easier and more enjoyable, making mealtime accessible and stress-free with reliable, adaptive tools. Next, the Mighty Susan Kitchen Organizer to maximize pantry space for seniors. This steel-reinforced, rectangular 2-tier unit holds 30 pounds, storing 20 soup cans. Its swing-out design offers 20% more capacity than round Lazy Susans, with 4 bonus stacking bins for spices or crafts. Requiring an 11-inch cabinet depth, it ensures easy access, reducing strain. Clear ABS provides visibility, preventing food waste. Seniors will love the sturdy, multifunctional storage for cans, teas, or supplies. This organizer simplifies pantry management, making it effortless for seniors to find essentials. Meet the D-More rotatable magnet knife holder. Its acacia wood, columnar design holds 12 to 14 knives with strong magnets on 4 sides, rotating 360 degrees for easy access. A non-slip stainless steel base ensures stability, while a removable brush stores spoons or whisks. Compact for small counters, its elegant look suits any decor. Seniors with limited reach will find it safe and convenient. This holder keeps knives secure and accessible, simplifying meal prep. Seniors will appreciate the clutter-free functionality, making kitchen tasks effortless. At number 15, we have the MagnaPros LED Page Magnifier, a senior's reading and crafting ally. Its collapsible, detachable stand enables hands-free use, perfect for low vision. With 24 SMD LED lights and 3 modes, it reduces eye strain via an anti-glare lens. Energy-efficient LEDs last 50,000 hours, ensuring durability. Seniors can easily read recipes or work on detailed projects. Compact and portable, it's ideal for kitchen or hobby use. Its user-friendly touch interface simplifies operation, making small print accessible and cooking or crafting enjoyable with clear, comfortable visibility in any setting. Moving on to the Lilasp Digital Meat Thermometer ensures perfect meals for seniors. This set of 3 waterproof thermometers with 304 stainless steel probes delivers accurate readings in seconds. Ideal for roasting or barbecuing, they feature a memory function, light screen, and foldable probes for storage. Magnets attached to fridges, and a bottle opener adds utility. Made from high-temperature resistant ABS, they're durable and dishwasher safe. Seniors with shaky hands will find it easy to use. Seniors will enjoy confident, stress-free meal prep, ensuring every dish is perfectly cooked with minimal effort. Next, the TIAC handheld steam cleaner keeps senior kitchens spotless. Its 350 milliliter capacity heats in 3 to 5 minutes, delivering 230 degrees Fahrenheit steam for 10 to 15 minutes to remove grease and grime. A 16-piece accessory set tackles tight spots, while automatic steam reduces thumb strain, ideal for arthritis. Chemical-free and safe, it's senior-friendly with a 16.4 feet cord for mobility. Heat-resistant PP material prevents scalding. It ensures hygienic kitchens, cars, or bathrooms, making cleanup accessible and safe for seniors, enhancing household cleanliness without the strain of traditional cleaning methods. Meet the Dandy Scooper Duper Folding Food Mover to simplify food transfer for seniors. This BPA-free tool scoops and funnels chopped ingredients, avoiding heavy cutting boards. At 7 by 6.75 inches, it's perfect for vegetables, spices, or non-food items like toys or spills. Lightweight and compact, it stores easily, ideal for small kitchens. Hand washable to prevent warping, it's backed by a satisfaction guarantee. Seniors with limited strength will find it effortless to use. They will appreciate the simplicity, making kitchen tasks or cleanup quick and safe, enhancing efficiency with a practical, multi-use tool for any household. Up next is the Rainpot Butane Torch. Its durable metal design with a leak-proof valve and heat-resistant ceramic nozzle reaches 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for caramelizing or crafting. A wide brass base prevents tipping, and one-handed ignition with adjustable flame control ensures ease. Refillable with any butane in 13 to 15 seconds, it includes 3 fittings for versatility. Seniors will find it safe and simple for gourmet cooking or jewelry making. They will enjoy precise, safe operation, making every task from baking to DIY projects accessible and fun with this reliable multi-purpose tool. At number 20, we have Pizol wide-mouth canning funnels to make pouring easy for seniors. 5 adjustable spouts fit mason jars, spice bottles, or oil containers, handling liquids. Food-grade plastic and 2 strainers enable precise filtering for soups or coffee. Dishwasher safe with a cleaning brush, they're perfect for shaky hands. The detachable, rotating screw design ensures a snug fit, reducing spills. Seniors will love the effortless transfers for canning or cooking. They can preserve jams or pour oils confidently, making this set a user-friendly, versatile addition to any kitchen, enhancing efficiency and ease. Next, the Boao 2-piece pot strainer set simplifies draining for seniors. Made from lightweight stainless steel, these strainers fit 10-inch pots. The moon-shaped strainer and double-handle strainer, 13 inches, offer secure, burn-free handling, ideal for arthritis. Non-directional handles suit both hands, enhancing comfort. Dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. They're perfect for pasta, rice, or vegetables. Seniors will appreciate the safety and ease, keeping their hands away from the steam. They can drain with confidence, simplifying kitchen tasks with durable, practical tools that enhance accessibility and streamline meal prep. Up next is the Voba electric egg cooker, a senior's breakfast hero. It cooks 7 eggs, soft, medium, hard-boiled, poached, or steamed, with a measuring cup for precise water amounts, eliminating guesswork. The food-grade stainless steel tray is rust-proof and easy to clean, with an auto shut-off for safety. Compact and lightweight, it's perfect for small kitchens. An upgraded tray protects fingers during cleaning, ideal for seniors. This user-friendly appliance ensures perfectly cooked eggs, enhancing kitchen independence for seniors with ease and reliability. Meet the Monkey Business Hug Dug Spoon Saver to add charm to senior kitchens. This flexible silicone tool hugs spoons, spatulas, or ladles, preventing slips into pots. It doubles as a spoon rest, keeping counters clean by elevating utensils. Perfect for seniors with limited dexterity, it fits most tools and simplifies cleanup. This quirky tool ensures utensils stay accessible, making cooking stress-free. Seniors will enjoy the playful functionality, enhancing kitchen efficiency with a cute, practical solution that keeps surfaces tidy and cooking enjoyable for any meal prep task. Moving on to the Glove Station cut-resistant gloves. With level 5 cut protection, these food-grade gloves guard against cuts during chopping or shucking, ideal for shaky hands. The 13-gauge fiber and knitted glass fabric offer a firm grip and dexterity, perfect for vegetables or mandolins. Touchscreen compatible and lightweight, they're comfortable for seniors. Easy to clean, they suit kitchen, garden, or workshop tasks. Seniors will appreciate the flexibility and protection, making food prep secure and accessible. These durable gloves simplify tasks, ensuring seniors can cook or craft with ease and peace of mind. At number 25, we have the Blanxel Automatic Soap Dispenser. Its infrared sensor delivers touch-free soap, ideal for arthritis, with 3 adjustable levels for control. The 1800 mAh battery lasts 3 months, and the wide-mouth design simplifies refilling for shaky hands. Compatible with most liquid soaps, it's easy to clean and versatile for homes or offices. A stylish gift, this dispenser enhances cleanliness with minimal effort. Seniors will love the convenience and modern design, making daily hygiene accessible and sophisticated, ensuring a germ-free, user-friendly experience in any setting. Meet the Lawful Peeler to streamline prep for seniors. Its dual stainless steel blades, straight and serrated, tackle potatoes, fruits, or vegetables effortlessly. The ergonomic non-slip grip ensures safety, even with wet or oily hands, perfect for arthritis. Dishwasher safe for quick cleanup. It saves time for seniors. This heavy-duty peeler reduces strain, making peeling precise and comfortable. The durable design ensures long-lasting performance, simplifying food prep with minimal effort. Seniors will appreciate the safety and versatility, making this peeler an essential tool for creating meals or exploring new recipes with confidence and ease in any kitchen. Up next is the Lomi Electric Composter to revolutionize waste management for seniors. This smart appliance turns food scraps into fertilizer in under 24 hours with a 3-liter capacity and sleek countertop design. Its touch interface is senior-friendly, and dishwasher-safe parts simplify cleanup. Reducing carbon footprints by 127%, it's eco-conscious, perfect for gardening seniors. Seniors will love the ease of converting waste into plant food, enhancing kitchen efficiency and environmental impact. This composter makes waste management accessible, ensuring seniors can maintain a green lifestyle effortlessly. Lastly, we have the Fanware Adaptive One-Handed Cutting Board. Designed for one-handed use, it features anti-slip bases, food spikes, and bread stops to secure ingredients, ideal for stroke survivors or arthritis sufferers. Durable and easy to clean, it simplifies chopping, peeling, or grating. Seniors will find it safe and user-friendly, promoting kitchen independence. Seniors can prep meals confidently, reducing strain and risk. Its practical design ensures food prep is manageable and enjoyable, making this cutting board an essential tool for creating an inclusive, senior-friendly kitchen environment with ease and reliability. Thanks for joining us to explore 28 Amazon kitchen essentials for seniors. These tools, from magnetic measuring spoons to adaptive utensils, make cooking safe, simple, and enjoyable, empowering seniors with arthritis or mobility challenges. I hope you're inspired to try these or gift them to a loved one. Check the description for links to all products and subscribe for more senior-friendly tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time in another video.